subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
After several leaks and rumors, Samsung has now finally launched its new smartphone under Galaxy A series called Galaxy A51 along with the Galaxy A71 in Vietnam. Talking about the specifications, the Samsung Galaxy A51 comes featured by 6.5-inch Super AMOLED Infinity O display with Full HD Plus resolution and 20:9 aspect ratio. The smartphone also features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Exynos 9611 chipset paired with Mali G72 MP3 GPU. The device packs with up to 8GB of RAM and up to 128GB of in-built storage that can also be further expandable up to 512GB via dedicated microSD card slot. In terms of camera, the Galaxy A51 supports quad camera setup on the rear that houses 48MP main camera with f2.0 aperture plus 12MP ultra wide angle lens with f2.2 aperture plus 5MP macro lens with f2.4 aperture and a 5MP depth sensor with f2.2 aperture. For selfies, there is 32MP camera at the front with f2.2 aperture. As per the software, the phone runs on latest Android 10 out of the box based on the top of Samsung's One UI 2.0. The handset comes backed by 4000 mAh of battery with 15 watts fast charging support. The connectivity option on the phone include 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack and a USB Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the device measures at 158.5 by 73.6 by 7.9mm and it weighs around 172 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability. The Samsung Galaxy A51 will be priced in Vietnam for 6GB RAM plus 128GB storage variant at 7,990,000 Vietnamese dong, which roughly translates to 24,500 Indian rupees or $350 US. The smartphone's pre-booking will begin from December 16th and will go on sale starting from December 27th in the country in Prism Crush Blue, Prism Crush Black, Prism Crush Pink and Prism Crush White color options. So, what do you guys think of this Galaxy A51 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.